How to get access to old Cash App account. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can get access to your old Cash App account. So first of all, just open your Cash App on your smartphone. So just open your Cash App and after that just follow these instructions in order to get your old Cash App account back. Your Cash App account might have been created using a different phone number or an email address. So if you have recently changed either your phone number or your email address, you will need to sign in using the phone number or email connected to the account. So in order to do that, you just have to tap the profile icon of your Cash App home screen and after that just click on tap sign out and then enter the phone number or email associated with the account you wish to access, and after that follow the prompts. And if you have trouble logging in, just you can go ahead and contact support. So this is how you do it. So this is how you will be able to get access to your old Cash App account. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.